The PPP loan has been given to a lot of small businesses that has suffered through the pandemic, the COVID-19 pandemic. However, there's a lot of small businesses that's applying for the loan that are not eligible for the loan. Also, there's individuals that's basically just creating fake companies to get the loan. I just want to tell a lot of small business owners and also independent contractors to be very careful because the government agencies are not going to sit by and allow any fraud to happen based on the PPP loan. Anyone that takes part in PPP loan fraud will be held accountable. So if you're a small business owner or independent contractor, you know you did not have a small business, you should not be applying for the PPP loan. It's illegal. All small business owners, just be honest with yourself. The PPP loan, the money is given to small business owners that have suffered hardship during the COVID-19. It is not a money to be given to businesses to just get rich. It is money given to small businesses to assist them to keep their business afloat during the difficult times of the COVID-19. So thinking of trying to scam the government or scam the system by applying for the loan when you know rightfully that you're not eligible, it's a dangerous, really dangerous game to be playing. Basically, it doesn't really worth it at all. I've heard a number of news over numerous outlets all over the place about a lot of people being held up. Actions has been taken on them by the government for basically applying for the loan, which they were not eligible for. So another thing is if you have a Schedule C, you're small sole proprietor, or you're independent contractor, Uber driver, Lyft driver, and so on, you need to look at your Schedule C. And if your Schedule C is showing a loss, there's probably a good chance you're not eligible for the PPP loan. So do not go and try to create a Schedule C showing you made profit, X and X amount of profit, so you could get $5, $10, $20,000 of the loan. Please restrain from doing such things. Just be very careful, business owners and independent contractors. Once again, the loan was created to assist small businesses that was having difficult times during the coronavirus pandemic. It's not a loan given to businesses or individuals to get rich. So just be honest, stay away from the illegal tactics of trying to get money, which you basically are not eligible for. The other thing all small business owners could actually do is do your accounting every month, do your bookkeeping every month. Even though last year was a difficult time for everyone, especially small business owners, no exception. Look at your accounting. If you're doing your accounting on your own, probably get an accountant, get a bookkeeper, and run your numbers and see did you make a profit or a loss. And if you did make a profit, your accountant or bookkeeper would probably give you some advice as to what your amount is on line 7 of the Schedule C. So that tells you you're eligible. So if your gross profit is $500, you're probably not going to apply for this loan. If your gross profit on line 7 is $40,000, $50,000, $25,000 in that ballpark, yes. But common sense will tell you. Your accountant, your bookkeeper will be able to tell you. They'll run the numbers and let you know if you should be able to apply for it or not. But don't go and create numbers on that Schedule C so you want to get the loan. Or there is a hype out there that, oh, I want to get some of that money. It's not just given to anybody. It's given to small businesses to keep their business alive during the difficult times. And it's not a lottery money that is given to everybody. Because you have a small business, this money will be given to you. It doesn't work like that. So small business owners, be very careful. Independent contractors, be very careful, because the government agencies are going to come and crack down on anyone that's involved in any illegal activities based on the PPP. Anyone that is caught doing any PPP fraud will be dealt with seriously, and it's just not worth it. This year is probably a year things are starting to get back to normal slowly, because we have a vaccination right now for the COVID-19 virus. We have a vaccination right now. Probably is a time to sit with your accountant or bookkeeper and do some tax planning. Probably look at ways where you could save money. You could do some tax planning. Look to invest some of your profits. Look to do better this year. That's the opportunity. Look at your numbers. Look at places where you can cut back. Do not just spend all your income you make, all your profits. Probably want to reinvest some of that money back into the business. So if you're not eligible for the loan, there is no need to try to get that money because it's given to business owners that's eligible for it. Don't get caught up in this hype out there. I was watching a clips of some news agency online, and it was staggering to me to see that there's a lot of business owners have been caught up in the PPP loan fraud. It's really, really surprising to me that so many small business owners have got involved in PPP fraud, knowingly that they were not eligible for the funds, but they still went ahead and applied for the loan and surprisingly got it. So just all business owners, independent contractors, please it just don't worth it. Sit with your bookkeeper, sit with your accountant, and look at ways legally where you can cut back on your expenses and the income you get the income you get, the profit you make. Look at ways to reinvest it back in the business, or even looking at ways to invest the money to grow the business further. So that's all I have on the PPP loan fraud. I just wish everyone prosperous 2021. We're almost halfway of the year. Hopefully this year should be a better year compared to last year, as I said earlier on, because we have the vaccination for the virus, and most cities and states are opening up slowly. So things are looking ahead real good. Thanks for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.